All right, so it's Monday morning and we loaded the trailer up with short steel. We're gonna be taking this in. We loaded this Saturday. So I got the 24-foot long Belmont or load trail loaded up heavy. Towing it with the 2013 F250. I just hooked everything up. Just checking my lights. I had to put a little more air in my tires. We're loaded pretty heavy. I had to put my air in my tires. It was only 50 pounds. I had to, or 50, 60 pounds. I had to bump them up to 70. Max, I think, is 80, but I don't run them that hard. So here's what we loaded up. These are cast iron boilers and a heavy wood stove. And it's all rims and pipe. I got to put a strap around this. I didn't do that yet. But it's all considered what's called short steel. Now, I posted a short. And in the video, I said, guess how much it was going to pay or what it was going to weigh, you know. And a lot of people threw out some estimates of like $200. You know, one was like $300. Somebody said $60. Like, if you think that that's going to be $60, you got another thing coming. I'm telling you right now, that is extremely heavy. And even in this market being complete crap, it's not going to be $60. It's not going to be $200. I kind of love the lowball estimates, but this was only, you know, 2 months of just collecting the stuff that I didn't put, you know, the heavier stuff that I haven't been taking in with the tin. So, yeah, we're going to be running this to the scrap yard, and this is extremely heavy. I mean, this is a 12,000 pound trailer, and we're probably all at 12,000 pounds, so we're going to be extremely loaded heavy. I'm going to have them use the magnet to unload it, so I'll get video of the machine. We have video of what the weight is, and we'll find out what it weighs and how much it actually pays me for the day. So I got a light that's not working. Oh, I got to check that out. All right, so next video you'll be seeing is my driving impression on how heavy it is, and then we'll be going to the scrap yard. We're a little early today, but I wanted to make sure I could check things out like this light, and I got to put some straps around this. So it'd be interesting. A lot of people lowballed the price, and get your guesses in now, because I don't think anybody's going to be close. I think everybody's just doesn't understand. But all right, so I've been driving for a couple minutes. I finally got out of the town of Hawley here, climbing the hill here. We're pretty heavy. I want to say there's about 7,000 or 8,000 pounds on the trailer. I mean, truck's pulling it fairly easy. I'm just taking my time. I'm a little early this morning, headed to the scrapyard, so I'm just taking my time. Got the truck in tow haul mode. I let it run, let it warm up a little bit. You know, this truck's equipped with the 6.2 gas engine, a little over 200,000 miles, two-wheel drive. We have 373 gears, and she pulls the hills pretty good. I mean, we're towing over 10,000 pounds with the weight of the trailer. We'll find out exactly what it is, but this truck doesn't really mind when you're tow heavy. It just keeps going. You know, since I, changed the brakes on it, the braking's really good. I have the gain set at 8.5, and that seems like a good mixture of trailer braking, grade shifting from the tow haul mode and the brakes of the truck. So it's completely easy to control and everything. So all right, we'll see what this weighs when we get on the scale. I have a feeling it's going to be heavier than most people think, but hey, I mean, I know my truck and I know the trailer and I know how much things weigh when I load it up. I'm pretty good at estimating, so very rarely am I under or overweight. I'm usually within a few hundred pounds. So all right, we got an accident. That looks like it hurt. Looks like a head-on collision. Light green, they're still going. Head-on collision. Oh, nice. First thing in the morning, that's great. All right, we're pulling on the scale. Take my time going on this. All right, so we're 19,100 pounds. So we got over 8,000 pounds on, 8,500 pounds on. So anybody who said there wasn't going to be any weight or any money in this, we got about 4 gross tons on. So this is going to pay out pretty good. All right, gonna watch it. Bye-bye, short steel. So I had like 85, 8,800 pounds on, something like that. It's a lot of weight, man. I can't believe you guys are saying it's only gonna be like 200 bucks. Man, if you think that's only what the stuff is worth, I mean, prices are low. I'm gonna make a lot more than 200 bucks today. I'll make a lot more than 200 bucks, man. It's gonna be the hardest part, is sitting and waiting. I like this machine though. Oh, he's going for the boilers on the back. Each one of those boilers is about 500 to 600 pounds. And I don't think the price changed for me, so I think it's 275 a gross ton. So yeah, that's gonna be a lot. And if you guys like this content, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm always putting videos out. I mean, I have over 200 something videos. Not a lot of views, but I mean, I think my content's good. Also, there's a video of me doing an acceleration test with this load on the truck. So, I mean, 19,000 pound acceleration test. Nobody out here doing that stuff. Look at all that stuff. Stuff has to be 2 foot by 5 foot. Can't be any longer. So those boilers are pretty close right off the bat. But anything that's rims or pipes or anything heavy gauge steel, cast iron. Brake rotors, piping. Even like this, what I usually gauge by is the thickness of a regular lawnmower blade. So if it's as thick as a lawnmower blade, it's short steel, not tin. Oh, that was a big bite. I'm trying to stay out of the sun here. Get another big bite. This would have took me like 25 to 30 minutes to unload by hand or more. My brother's here too, so he's unloading the tin off his truck. Well, it would have took us forever. And that's kind of why I did it this way, so I could bring a lot in at once. And I didn't have to unload it by hand. I could use that $1 million magnet machine. Save my back a little bit this week. I find these machines so awesome. Electromagnet. Another good bite. Yeah, this would have took a lot out of me doing this today, unloading all this. Look at all them horseshoes. I think I had about 800 or 900 pounds just of horseshoes. It took him, we've been going 5 minutes so far with the machine. Imagine how long it would have took me by hand. It would have took me forever. I'll be honest with you, if you got a couple $1 million laying around, get one of these machines, worth it. All that small stuff weighed so much. We had 55-gallon barrels. I had 4 of them. You couldn't even move by hand. We had to bail them out, and it still took 3 guys to pick them up onto the trailer. Going on 7 minutes. Got much more left. You can see the bottom now. That's pretty much it, man. 8 minutes to unload with the machine. That would have took me, oh my god, I couldn't believe it. Might have took me an hour to unload that. I might have undershot my estimate here. Now I just got to sweep my trailer and we're good. Let him take the last little bit. Next video, we're going to see how much it actually weighed out to be. We're going to pull on the scale here. And pull on the scale. We'll see what it weighs out. And then I'll show you what I actually get paid for today. All right, gentlemen, that's it. All right, so we're pulling on the scale. See what we weigh coming off. So empty, 10,280. So we had just shy. We had almost 9,000 pounds on. We might have had 9,000 pounds. So that's pretty good. Okay, so we weighed in at 19,100 pounds. Okay, we weighed out at 10,280. That is an 8. Looks a little weird, but that's 8,820 pounds of short steel. At my price, 275 a gross ton, which is 2,240 pounds. It was 1,000 $82.81. You can see the total right here. So that means we were towing with the trailer close to 12,000 pounds. And that I'm going to put the acceleration video in there, which if you watch the video, you'll see it to the end. But yeah, the guys that were saying I was going to make $200, obviously you guys don't know. I mean, prices are low. This price is low. I mean, this should be about $400 to $500 with dealer pricing. That just goes to show you how low it is. For the average person, you're barely going to get 150 a gross ton. I know some guys are saying like 125 a gross ton. This is dealer pricing. So, I mean, that was a miserable load for almost 9,000 pounds. I mean, this should have been almost close to $2,000. I mean, that just goes to show you how the market is right now. But yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Gonna be having some more videos here. Been really busy. I just got done cleaning some copper and brass. I didn't do the end video right when I got home because I had to get gas. My brother was talking to me and everything. So, all right. So you can see I got stuff in my yellow truck here. I got my little trailer loaded up with a load of tin. So I'm going to move some of that stuff around. And I got copper, brass, 2 big air conditioners I'm taking apart. So you'll see that in the next video, I guess. I might as well just put it out there. But all right. Thank you guys. And appreciate everything. Been getting a lot of support lately. I really appreciate it. You know, I'm at 705 subscribers, so we're getting close to that 1,000. And I just got monetized on Instagram Reels, so that's a good thing. So I'll be cross-posting things and see if we can actually start making some money in this venture, because I haven't made a dime yet on the YouTube. It's been 3 years, and I just went to Instagram and started reposting all the same things that I put on to reach more people. And it seems like Instagram seems to push my videos more than YouTube. I mean, YouTube doesn't push my videos, and it's a shame because I have over 200 decent videos and my quality's getting better. But all right, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.